Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me, SONY Alpha camera, and now I'm gonna show you all you need to know about creative styles on this camera. Find creative styles in first blog, on 11 page of the first blog, and here inside we have a lot of styles. So why sometimes we need styles? So of course, if you wanna process your images after taking photos, you wanna process them on your computer using the program, for example, Photoshop or Lightroom or something else, Pixelmator or something else. So it's a very good idea to take photos in standard mode without the preset. So it's just a preset, okay? So for example, when you're going to holidays, and in holidays, after holidays, you don't want to process and to change something, of your thousands of holidays photos, okay? So you just want to have good photos. That's it. And it's a very good idea to change and to customize the creative styles when you use it. Okay. So now I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna tell you all I know about this mode. So let's start with clear. So this mode boosts contrast and sharpness for clear vivid images. Deep, so enhances shadow for more depth. Light reduces contrast for a lighter and softer look. Portrait optimizes skin tones for portrait photography. Landscape, so never to take photos of people with landscape mode, because landscape mode enhances blues and greens for landscape photography, not for people photography. Here we have sunset, so sunset enhances warm colors for sunset scenes. Night scene optimized settings for nighttime photography and decreasing the shutter speed, so it's a very good idea. Be more stable when taking photos with night mode. Autumn leaves, so enhances reds and oranges for fall foliage, and it's a very good idea not to take photo of people in this mode. Black and white, it just converts the image to black and white. Sepia, it's like vintage photos mode. Standard, so balanced setting for general use. Vivid, so boosts all colors for vibrant images. Neutral reduces color saturation for a more natural look. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.